Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes CLA diesel. It's the AMG Sports line, finished in grey. Paintwork on this car is absolutely fantastic. It's got front park distance control, diamond cut alloy wheels, full AMG body styling, privacy glass to the rear, full black pack, no chrome around the doors. Got the deeper AMG rear diffuser with park distance control again. Has literally just arrived, this car. Drives superb. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the lovely AMG interior, Alcantara with the red stitched piping. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but are kept inside our showroom for any weather indoor viewing. So don't worry about the weather, it's lovely and warm in our showroom. As you can see, lovely interior. The car does benefit from being an automatic. It's got automatic headlights, done 85,663 miles. Just get that back up again for you. 85,663 miles. It's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, media pack, climate control, paddle shift, cruise control. Really is lovely. At DJH we're full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.